I was convinced it was going to move for me, and I kept opening up my stop, kept opening up my stop, kept opening up my friends. They got stopped out. I was holding on to it because why did Michael, rookie sensation ICT, why did he think that it was a smart move to keep opening the stop? That means I was widening. Okay, wherever I had my initial stop loss, protect the initial entry long, I was like, okay, I know I'm right, but I'm probably wrong where I'm placing my stop. So I have to just sit through a little bit more, open it up more and more, a little bit more, open it more. And I was like, okay, now this thing's looking like it really wants to go down to go right to my stop. I'm going to just take the stop off. Well, that's when it fucking tanked. Okay. And I experienced $6,000 per contract. That's not fun. That's not fun. Okay. Especially when you're not in front of the chart seeing it. It's just changing numbers. Okay. It's changing numbers on the screen. So I was like, okay, this is bullshit. This is painful. Well, that lesson, that pain, that uncomfortable state would have taken many of you out of this and say, I'm never doing it again. Was I embarrassed because my friends saw me lose big? Yeah, absolutely. I was fucking totally demoralized. But I turned it around. I said, okay, that's never going to happen again. I knew I was wrong, but I arm wrestled it. I knew I was fucking wrong. I was under the pressure of the market's thumb, and it was giving me all the time in the world to save my own neck, and I wouldn't listen. I came in with my preconceived notions that this is what the market's going to do. I married the vein. I sold my soul to that trade. I was not going to let go of it. And it punished me. It tore my ass up. And that's that gapping feature that I tell you about that I was afraid of. That's where I learned that lesson from, because the Swiss franc just kept going lower. And then in the next session, I'm holding over. It just gaps further against me. I'm like, what the fuck? Clearly, it's got to be done now. Nope. 4 days later, I'm still in there. No stop. No stop. And account gone. So back to saving money, working on the weekend, delivering pizza, getting some scratch capital raised up again, and I had to go back in and do it all over again. And the only lesson I learned from that at the time was don't hold overnight on futures and currencies, because the gaps are too much. That was the only lesson at the time that I learned. But now, knowing back what I know now, there's so many things that I understand about price action that I would never have gone long now. As the